In this video, we will show you the code access feature of TESSY in the test cockpit view. The first step is the analysis of all source files. TESSY will identify all lines of the source files containing any code. The next step is to set up tests for all code variants. This will allow TESSY to find out the active pre-processed code for each of the tests. As a result, TESSY calculates the code access. TESSY will automatically find all source code lines not being tested by any of the tests. We start with an empty project and a source file with different code variants. Let's have a look into the source file. We can see that the file contains a function with a lot of defines, and it is hard to figure out the necessary variants to be tested. Let's switch back to the test project view, where we will now create 3 modules for each of the variations of our source file. Pay attention to the module settings. Select the sources and enter the necessary defines in the Properties view. Now, all 3 modules are available. The next step is to analyze the modules. After analyzing the modules, we can see that we are testing 3 variants of our source file, all containing the same function with different implementations. Let's select the source file in the test cockpit view. As you can see, the code access value is 87.5%. There is still some not tested code. Now switch to the coverage viewer. Here we can see there are code lines not being accessed by any test. The turbo define was not set within any variant configuration. We switch back to the test project view to create at least one other module with the turbo define. We enter the module's name, then go to the Properties view to select a source file and add 2 necessary defines. After creating and analyzing the additional module, we see the code access is now 100% within the test cockpit view. Now we have 4 variants of tests for our source code, and we can be sure that all source code lines will be tested.